Hi, I'm Feisal Shah, a sports knee surgeon at Meriden Hospital here in Coventry. If you're an athlete or an active individual, knee injuries can sideline you very quickly, but early intervention can make all the difference. Common sports knee injuries include ACL tears, meniscal damage, and patellar instability. These often happen during sudden stops, twists, or impacts. If you experience swelling, instability, or pain that doesn't improve, don't ignore it. It could be more serious than a simple strain. With modern imaging, minimally invasive surgery, and personalised rehab plans, we can often get athletes back to full performance faster and safer than ever. Timing is key. The sooner we evaluate your knee, the better the outcome. Stay active, but listen to your body. If you've had a knee injury and want to book an appointment at Meriden Hospital, then give us a call or book online. I'm here to help you return to the sport you love.